Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. After that, tap on Simple Mode and choose Enable. As you can see, after that, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, click on Settings again. But this time select Exit Simple Mode at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!